Hello, my dear children. Welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about chapter number 13, whose title is Weather and Seasons. So, children, let's begin. Weather. Weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. So, children, what do you mean by weather? Weather is a temporary condition of our environment. It can vary from place to place at a particular time. What are the types of weather? It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. Now, what do you mean by sunny days? On sunny days, the sun shines brightly. The weather is very hot. So, children, usually in the summer season, we find sunny days when the sun shines very brightly and the weather is very hot. We feel hot, we get sweat on sunny days. Now, cloudy days. Dark clouds hide the sun on some days. They are called cloudy days. Now, usually cloudy days are seen in the rainy seasons, when the dark clouds filled with rain hide the sun. Cold days. Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoor. It also snows on cold days in hilly areas. Children, have you seen snows? Some days are really cold. Usually in the winter season we find cold days. Now, windy days. Strong winds blow on some days. We see branches of trees and plants moving. We need to hold our things tightly to stop them from flying away. These are called windy days. So, children, what do you mean by windy days? When strong winds blow and everything fly away. The branches of the trees and the plants move vigorously. Those days are called windy days. Weather forecast tells us about the weather in advance. So, children, usually we find weather forecast in the news channels. And also, nowadays in our mobile phone also we can see weather forecast. The day-to-day environment condition. Now, rainy days. On some days, it rains a lot. Everything around us gets wet. Sometimes, when the sun shines through the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. So, children, have you ever seen a rainbow? On some days, it rains a lot, usually in the rainy days, but in the winter days also, sometimes we find rainy days. Now, seasons. What do you mean by season? A season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. So, children, weather is temporary and varies from place to place. But season is a condition of a particular year, a particular time of the year, when one type of weather stays for a long period of time. It is not temporary. So, there are 5 different seasons in a year. We wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. Yes, our food varies according to the season as well. We eat cold foods in the summer season to keep ourselves cool, but we eat warm foods in the winter season to keep ourselves warm. And also, the types of clothes differ. We wear woolen clothes in the winter season, but we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Now, let's learn about seasons. Our first season is the winter season. Now, let's learn about winter season. Can you tell me what do you do in the winter season? Okay, so winter season, it is very cold during winter. We wear woolen clothes. We like to drink hot things such as soup, tea, coffee, etc. Next, spring season. It's the lovely time of the year. Beautiful flowers bloom during spring. New leaves grow on trees. The weather is very pleasant. Can you tell me one festival that we celebrate in India in spring season? Its name is Holi, the color festival. Next, summer season. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. We use fans, coolers, etc. Next, rainy season. Rainy season is also called the monsoon season. There are dark clouds in the sky. We use umbrellas, raincoats, and gumboots when it rains. So, children, do you like rainy season? Next, autumn season. In autumn, the weather is neither hot nor cold. Most of the trees shed leaves during autumn. Can you name one of the famous festivals to be celebrated in autumn season in India? It is Durga Puja. Next, the longest day every year is June 21st, and the shortest day is December 21st. So, children, remember the fact that the longest day of every year is June 21st, and the shortest day is December 21st. Now, children, just think, how do cotton clothes keep us cool in the summer season? Cotton clothes soaks the sweat and evaporates it easily. So, this process cools our body and we feel comfortable in cotton clothes. So, children, with this, we come to an end of this chapter. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.